In this video, you'll learn what to do with background information once you've found it. The first thing to do with background information is read it carefully. Write down all of the words and concepts that describe your topic and are related to it. If you're not sure what something means, look it up. If specific people are mentioned, make note of their names. You can use a worksheet like this one to help keep track of keywords and related topics. Step 2. Pay attention to whatever sparks your interest and curiosity and make a note of it. This will help you to focus on a specific aspect of your topic. When you've completed steps 1 and 2, you'll have a list of terms, concepts, and names that you can use when you're searching for more materials. You'll also know which aspects of your topic you want to focus on. Generally, you don't cite background material. The exception is if you've quoted a specific source's definition of a word or a concept. Your next step? Look for something that goes deeper into the topic, but not as deep or as specific as scholarly journal articles. Use the notes from your background material to construct a search for your required sources. Some options include books. They go deeper into a subject, but take the time to explain things and tend to use everyday language. Magazine and news articles, especially feature stories that explain research and scholarship for non-scholars. Journal articles that are called literature review, state of current research, analytical review, and so forth, which will give you an overview of scholarship on your topic. If you need help or have any questions, ask a library staff member.